Latvia has lots of forests and lakes, but it also has a secret along its western edge. The Baltic Sea whispers stories of old sailors and holds amazing creatures. The coast of Latvia is super long, over 300 miles. It has sandy beaches, rocky shores, and dunes shaped by the wind. Every part of the coast has something new and exciting to see, like special wildlife you won't find anywhere else. You can hear seabirds calling and the waves crashing. It's where the land meets the sea, a place that's always changing but always beautiful. The beaches of Latvia are full of shorebirds. Their calls sound like music along with the waves. You can see sanderlings, small round birds with black beaks and legs, running along the edge of the water. These busy birds chase the waves as they go out, looking for tiny sea creatures in the wet sand. Further down the beach, you might see a big grey heron standing very still. It's looking for fish in the shallow water. Whoosh! It catches a fish super fast with its beak. These are just some of the amazing birds you can see on Latvia's coast. Each one has its own special story. Under the waves, there's a whole other world. The Baltic Sea isn't as salty as the ocean, but it's still full of life, like lots of different crabs. The European green crab has a shell with 5 points. It walks sideways on the seafloor, using its strong claws to grab food. These crabs are important because they eat dead animals and keep other sea creatures from having too many babies. Another cool crab is the shore crab. It likes to hide in the rocks and seaweed along the coast. There, it's safe from other animals that might eat it, and it can find algae and little shellfish to eat. These crabs are super important for keeping the Baltic Sea healthy. The Latvian coast isn't just one long beach. It has lots of different areas where plants and animals live. Behind the beaches are big rolling dunes made by the wind. Special plants and insects live there. These plants give food and homes to insects, reptiles, and small furry animals. Further inland, there are pine forests. The wind and salty air make the branches twist and turn. Bigger animals live in the forests, like foxes, badgers, and sometimes even moose. All these different places to live, made by nature, show how many different plants and animals live on Latvia's coast.